G'day everyone, it's Steve here. This song is by an Aussie band called Air Supply. Written in 1980 by Graham Russell and Clive Davis. Went to number 2 on the charts, top 10 in many countries. Now here's a fun fact, the vocalist in Air Supply, Russell Hitchcock, he held the final note of the song for 16.2 seconds, which was a record for the day. I'm not going to attempt that. However, it's a beautiful song. It's called All Out of Love. Goes like this. Lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too, but what else can we do? Tormented and torn apart. Wish I could carry a smile in my heart, times when my life seems so